Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In this video you can learn how to make negative sentences. We have already seen the negative sentences and its construction in Tamil in an earlier video 53. Let us revisit it as some of you are finding it difficult with different tenses such as present, future, past and all. Most of the times, only with exceptions, the negative is formed by using the verb's root plus la. Pada, to sing, and the negative is padala. Ezhuda, to write, and that becomes ezhudala. Saapida, to eat, and the negative is saapidala. Look at the couple, they are eager to go somewhere. Present tense. We are going. Naanga porom. Though it is pogirom as written, you'll only hear it as porom in spoken Tamil. And sometimes it is also written the same way. You have to develop an ear for these minute things, and I try to give these tips in between to make your learning effective. We are not going. Naanga pogala. It is very simple, isn't it? We are going. Naanga porom. We are not going. Naanga pogala. Present tense. Is she there? Adu irukanga. We are talking about that girl. Now let us see a past tense question. Was he there? The man is asking in the phone. Both for present and past you could say anga illa. It is like saying not there. The tense is understood according to the question. Ninga paathinga edavadhu? Did you see anything? The lady is looking through the window and asking, as she probably saw something like a shadow moving. Ninga paathinga edavadhu? No, I did not see. Na edum paakala. And illa could be enough to answer in negative, as it is the equivalent of no. Hey, you took that, right? Nee thana edutha. And the answer could be na edukala. That sweet girl answering. And if it is that rogue boy, he would say na edukala. And this is past tense. Now future tense. Will they go tomorrow? She's asking to her team. Avanga naalik povangala? And the answer is, here if you specifically want to answer in relation to the future tense and the tone, your answer will be poga maatanga. They will not go. Poga maatanga. And this is is the way we say in Tamil to say no. It is not That can mean different, but it's a long This requires a video, especially those onomatopoeia. I think that is the word for it. But if you simply say avanga pogala, this can mean they won't instead of they will not go. As you can understand, we use present continuous to talk about future in English. Are they going tomorrow? And the answer is no, they are not. Similarly, avanga naaliki porangala, that is present continuous to mean future. And the answer could be avanga pogala. They're not going. Present tense negative used to mean future. Now let us get to the interesting part. How do you remember all these? Simply follow Instagram. I will post these often and let them flash in your mind often, and that is the easy way to store what you have learned. The Instagram is Learn Speak Tamil. All the best with your Tamil learning, and do not forget to subscribe, like and press the bell icon, and more than anything, just talk to yourself even if you do not have someone to talk to.